My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are quite well. And we are doing FSC Mathematics Part 1, Inter Part 1. And we are doing its chapter number 6, Sequence and Series. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button so that you may get the notifications of newly uploaded videos. And please spread it, tell your friends about this channel. So today's question number 1 is the sum of infinite geometric series is half the sum of the squares of its terms. Right, the next condition is the sum of first two terms is is 9 by 2. Find the series. Okay. Right. Now let the series, first series, okay. Right, answer or solution. Okay, let the series. S1 equals to A plus AR plus AR square plus so on. And S equals to A over 1 minus R. Let's see its number one. Let the second series, the square series, okay? Okay, the squares of its terms. Of its terms. Okay, we may say it's S2. A square. So the square of every term. A square R square plus A square, A square R raised to power 4 plus so on. And S2 equals to A square over 1 minus R square. Everything square. Let's say it's number 2. And we know that this series is half of, S1 is half of S2 implies A over 1 minus R equals to A square over 1 minus R square. This implies, okay, just take this to that side, okay. A times 1 minus R square over 1 minus R equals to A square. Cut this, okay. A with A implies A equals to, this 1 minus R square is 1 minus R, 1 plus R, divided by, this is 2, 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. right? So over 1 minus r. So 1 minus r got cancelled this, and this is 2, this 2, 2, okay, this 2 here, 2 and 2. So a equals to 2 times 1 plus r, right? This is number 3. Just say. Okay, now we know that a1, the first term, the sum of first two terms is 2 times is 2 or 9, 9 over 2 rather. Right, so it means that a plus ar, the two terms, equals to 9 over 2, implies two times a, take a common, okay, a 1 plus r equals to 9. Now just from 3 put a equals to 2 times 1 plus r, rather in here is number 4. So we have 4, 2 into 4, a is 1 plus r, it is 1 plus r equals to 9. Implies 1 plus r, the whole square equals to 9 over 4. Or this implies 1 plus r equals to plus minus 3 over 2. Implies r equals to two values, 1 over 2 and minus 5 over 2. Now r's positive value to 5 over 2 is greater than 1. So it is not for the metric series. So infinite geometric series. Geometric series. So we reject it. Okay. Therefore, r equals to 1 over 2. Right. So therefore, a equals to 2 times 1 plus r. So a equals to 2 times 1 plus half. Right. So 1 plus half is equals to 3 over 2. So a equals to 3. Therefore, the geometric series will be, first term is a 3, second term is 1 over 2 is the r, so 3 over 2. The next term will be 3 over 4. The next term will be 3 over 8. This is the infinite geometric series whose first two terms, the sum of two terms is 9 over 4. 9 over 2. Right, come to the next question now. Right. This is a very good question. Okay. Come to the question. Number 2. These questions may be asked in long questions as well. If a is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and b equals to 1 plus x plus x squared plus x cubed, and it's so on. Then show that both are convergent series. Show that a plus b equals to 2ab. Right. Now a equals to the sum, okay? We are using the sum. So for a equals to, use the pen second, okay? 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed. So here the first term is a1 equals to 1 and r equals to minus x. This implies a equals to 1 over 1 minus x. So a equals to 1 over 1 plus x, or 1 over a equals to 1 plus x. Right? Now come to the second part. For b is equal to 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus so on. So here a equals to the first term, a1 equals to 1 and r equals to x. This implies p equals to 1 over 1 minus x. Same is the case, 1 over b equals to 1 minus x. Okay, now just adding these two. Now 1 over a plus 1 over b will be 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. These two got cancelled. And on the left hand side, we have ab divided by a plus b, which is equals to 2. Wrong. So it's a plus b over ab equals to 2. This implies 2ab equals to a plus b. 2 times ab, which finishes our this question. Here, we'll do one more question and then we'll leave today's class. Now come to the next question. Find the sum of question. Sum of first 15 terms of geometric progression 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, and so on. So GP is solution. So GP is equals to 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 9. Here A equals to 1, R equals to 1 over 3, N is equal to 15. So Sn equals to, or SA 1 minus R raised to power n divided by 1 minus R. So S15 equals to 1 minus R is 1 over 3 raised to power n 15 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. Right, so it would be 3 over 2 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to power 15. So it would be S15 equals to 3 over 2, 3 raised to power 15 minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power 15. Just we calculate it. So the final calculation will be, I have calculated it 7174453 divided by 4782969. Right. That's the final answer. And I hope that you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number I have given on every thumbnail of my video. And if you pass on some suggestions, you may pass on by messaging me on the same number. Please subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe it, and please share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Allah Apna Hamiya Nasir ho.